In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Flybuys card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage your Flybuys card either through the website or the mobile app. You can choose whichever one you prefer. It is primarily available in Australia and New Zealand. Flybuys is going to be the most popular loyalty program, and it allows you to earn points on your everyday shopping at various partner stores. These stores are going to include supermarkets, department stores, hardware stores, and more. So I'm going to assume that you already have signed up for the card. If you haven't, visit the website or the mobile app, click the option to join and follow through with the sign-up process. You will have to present a lot of personal information, so I cannot show you the full process on screen. But, like I mentioned, in summary, you will be able to spend money on these participating stores, and as long as you use your Flybuys card, you will earn points. So as you can see on all of these stores listed here, Catch, Kmart, Officeworks, Kohl's, Liquorland, and Bunningham's Warehouse, you will earn 1 point per $1, so a 1-to-1 ratio. And by going over to redeem points, you will see all of the rewards that you can acquire for those points. So as you can see, they are going to have featured rewards, gift cards, appliances, and all sorts of stuff. So essentially, you just have to use your card on a day-to-day basis, and you will earn these points. You can go over to collect points, and they will have more information regarding all of the ways in which you can earn points, so you can see all of those stores that I mentioned and many more. You will be able to be up to date with the latest information and rewards by having the latest version of their mobile app. So even though I am showing you the website, I highly recommend doing this full process on the mobile app instead. You can sign in with the same account, your points will be transferred over, and you can browse through all of the options there as well. You can browse between gift cards, all points that they have available, and even travel rewards. So choose whichever option you prefer from the website, and you will be able to see all of the rewards that they have available. You can choose from a variety of options, and all of them will be available for you to redeem and collect. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Flybuys card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.